I'm going to make a comparison of this ILG 243 before and after its bearings were replaced. What I did was the original bearings were really dry and had a kind of crunchy, loose sound to them, and it caused the motor to really growl a lot when it started. And it even seemed to me like it made the motor start slower than it would without that problem. I also discovered that there was end play in the shaft, and there shouldn't be with this type of motor. So what I did was I bought new bearings. The old ones were shielded. I went to a sealed type of bearing. They do have, like a lot of the ILGs, had the bearings that have a wider inner race and a narrower outer race. So I replaced them with the sealed equivalents to the same bearings, and I added a spring washer behind the rear bearing to kind of preload them slightly so that the shaft isn't just bouncing around back and forth and the bearings can't just slop back and forth in their bearing journals. So, uh, without further ado, I will play a startup example of the bearings before and after.